Hey, I'm Ryan and I'm with RockPot. Today I'm going to give you a rundown of how our portable slow cooker works. So this is the RockPot. We have a patented rock tablet. This allows you to heat up your food and cook it. So the RockPot will essentially cook your food and keep it warm for 10 plus hours. You can heat your rock tablet over a fire for 30 minutes or over a gas or electric stovetop. And once it's heated, you place it underneath your cooking pot. This has got all your raw food, and then it'll cook it, like I said, and keep it warm for over 10 hours. But the beautiful part about the RockPot is it is double-walled lining. So even though we may have food in here at hour 1 to hour 10, it'll still be safe to touch while the food is cooking or staying warm. For example, we put a roast in here over 10 hours ago, and it is still nice and warm. The carrots are soft, the potatoes are soft, and the meat is fully cooked. Again, 4.5 pound roast. You can do things like soups and stews, roast, casseroles. You can bake bread. You can boil water for pasta or for rice. It's very versatile, and it does have a lifetime warranty. We do have a storage bag and other add-on pans so you can cook multiple things at once. But the RockPot does, again, have that lifetime warranty because we really stand behind our product. It is very high quality. If something happens, we're going to back you up with it. But if you want to find out more information, you can go to rockpotusa.com.